Hi guys. Welcome to Creative Mind channel with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create awesome images using AI.
Creative Mind is the king of the screen, teaching us the art, making it all so keen.
First of all, open your browser. Now search Bing AI. Now open this site. If you are using this site first time, then log in with your Microsoft account. Now this tab will appears. You can also explore ideas from here. Now add your prompt. Prompt link is in description. Now click on Create. It will take up to a few seconds. And here we go. You can easily download this images by clicking on Download. Now let's try another prompt. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.